basic concepts in geometry. Today we study segment, line segment. Which is the line segment? The union set of point A and point B and all points between A and B is called segment AB and written as segment AB or segment B. Second one, ray. A dash, B dash, P. Suppose A and B are two distinct points. The union set of all points on segment AB and point P such that A dash, B dash, P. A dash, B dash, P is called the ray AB, and point A is the origin of the ray. Line AB, the union set of points on ray AB and opposite ray BA is called line AB. The set of points of segment AB is a subset of points of line AB. This is line AB. Congruent segment. When two segments are congruent, if the length of segment AB is 10 cm and another segment CD, the length is also 10 cm, then segment AB congruent to segment CD is called the congruent segments. These two segments are congruent segment. Properties of congruent segments. There are three properties. First, reflexivity. Segment AB congruent to segment AB means each and every segment is congruent to itself. Second, symmetry. If segment AB congruent to segment CD, then segment CD congruent to segment AB is the symmetry property. And transitivity. If segment AB congruent to segment CD and segment CD congruent to segment XY, then segment AB congruent to segment XY is the third property, which is known as transitivity. Reflexivity, symmetry and transitivity are the three properties of the similar congruent segments. Midpoint of a segment. Which is the midpoint? We have given segment A, B, and we have to take a point M on the midpoint of the segment AB. When the distance AM is congruent to distance MB, then M is the midpoint of the segment AB. Comparison of two segments. Segment AB, segment CD. The length of segment AB is 5 cm, length of CD is 8 cm, then segment CD is the larger or bigger than segment AB, or segment AB is smaller than segment CD, then this comparison we can write with the help of these lines. Similarly, we can study perpendicularity of segments or rays. If the lines containing two segments, two rays, or a ray and a segment are perpendicular to each other, then the two segments, two rays, or the segment and the ray are said to be perpendicular to each other, is written as segment AB, line CD, ray OC or OD, perpendicular to each other. And last, distance of points from a line. We have given a line L and P is the point out of the line. Then we can measure the distance from P to M is the distance of the point from a line. We studied these statements. We can revise many times and solve the examples.